Hi, it's Michelle from Michelle's Ink and Stampit, and today I'm going to show you the new We Are Memory Keepers Foil Quill. It's the pens, the heat pens for heat embossing for the Cricut, the Brother, the Sizzix. So let's get started. Let me cut this. Side. Let's see what we get in the box. You get, the contents are going to be 3 USB heat pens, which we saw there, the 1, 2, and 3. They come in a standard tip, a fine tip, and a bold tip. You're going to get 4 cutting adapters, 3 heat activated 6-inch rolls of the foil, in gold, silver, and rose gold, placement tape, a heat-resistant plate, and a multilingual instructions. Okay, so that out of the way. So here's the pens, the tape, 2 adapters, and the foil. Let's set those off to the side here. Tape. Okay, there it is. So here's the other 2 adapters and the metal plate. The metal plate you're going to put underneath the pen tips so it doesn't go when it's in your machine. You'll put this plate underneath it so it won't hit your plastic and melt your plastic on your machines. So this is the fine tip. You can see that pretty good there. And this must be the standard because I'm just assuming they're set up that way with the because of the way they're in the box. Yeah. And then this is the bold tip, so you can pretty much see that, the fine, the standard, and the bold. Let's see. Yeah, that's it for that. And the instructions. Okay, so the A is for the silhouette, the B is for the Brother, the C is for the Cricut, and the D is for the Sizzix. So you get them all. Cricut, I don't know about the other ones, but I know Cricut says if you use these, you void your warranty. Mine, I got mine, I have the Cricut Maker, and I got it on the original launch. So mine's well over a year old. So I'm going to put these other ones aside because this is the one I'll need. I have heard people talk that they, if you buy the pens individually, you'll get all 4 sets of the adapters in your box. So you have one for each one. You wouldn't have to take them off. But really, that wasn't hard at all. It just screws right on and unscrews, so that's pretty easy. You would take your little adapter out of your your accessories. There's a little adapter, the pen holder, so you would take that out, and this would pop in that way. So that's that. I did get mine at It's All About the Scrapbook in Dixon, California. So you should check it out. This is the placement tape, which is like washi tape, I guess. Then there's the 3 rolls. So there was a rose gold, a silver, and a gold. So you could see the difference in those colors there. So this is a heat embossing system that you can write with, and when it writes, it puts the foil down on your paper. So I also got a USB adapter that this one is icons and words. I think there's probably going to be more coming out for them, but this just plugs into your computer and then you would just upload it into your Cricut or your other machines that you have. And I also got an extra thing of washi tape, or the placement tape they're calling it. And I also purchased 3 other rolls that I thought I would use. So I got a fuchsia, a gold, and a matte mint. So I will be showing you those. But I think first off I will use these. So join me back in my next video and we'll go through using the Foil Quill We Are Memory Keepers pens. All right, thank you. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll show you more videos over here that I think you might like. So, see you later.